This is a 1 Series BMW. Let's go find the EOBD or OBD2 socket. Now this is a right-hand drive model, so open the door and you have right-hand drive, and just follow down along the pillar and you'll find, well, there should have been a little door on it, but the door seems to be missing. Not to worry. And in here you'll see a little cover. Just grab the cover, press and pull, and there you'll see the OBD2 or EOBD socket. It's an Elm327. On the left hand drive, again, it's on the pillar below the steering wheel. Hope you found this useful. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Drop a comment, like, share and subscribe, and you'll find us on the usual social media platforms.